wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best photo lighting sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. Great for model or product photography, the Fovitec Studiopro 3000W kit includes 3 large and non-reflective muslin backdrops, so you can attempt professional studio quality images anywhere you have at least 9 by 6 feet of available space. It comes with head mounts that hold 5 bulbs and softbox light diffusers. However, the cloth material is a little too thin. At number 5, the highly adjustable Neewer Photo Studio strobe kit comes with a pair of 300-watt flashes that mount easily onto the included stands. For diffusion, there are 2 durable soft boxes that get the job done well, even if they're a little tough to set up. It includes a built-in modeling lamp and wireless trigger and receivers. But there is a bit of a distracting recycle beep too. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the lincostore 3-color 2000W can be set up in seconds, so you spend less time on logistics and more time shooting. Its light diffusion screens and large white muslin backdrop are great for product photography or headshots. It features automatic pop-up soft boxes, mounts with umbrella holes, and a green screen. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for photo lighting sets, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, the Photo Basics 231 Strobelite Plus 3 Light is a strobe package designed to let you create a 3-point setup and achieve Rembrandt-style portraits. Its built-in slave function will ensure that each unit fires simultaneously. It comes with an educational DVD, a carrying case with wheels, and 24 by 32 inch soft boxes. At number 2, the Limostudio 600W Portrait is a kit that provides continuous daylight balanced light for a variety of applications. You can just as easily apply it to videography as you can to stills, and its umbrellas make ideal catch lights for portraiture. It includes 2 86-inch stands, 9-foot power cords, and has a 6500K color temperature. And taking the top spot on our list, each of the strobes in the godox SK400 kit puts out a flash with up to 400 watts of power, making them ideal for professional studio work. You'll also get a sturdy hard-sided carrying case to transport them in safety as well. They start up at your saved settings and come with a Bowens mount for shaping accessories and colored gels. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for photo lighting sets, or simply click beneath this video.